Hi friends. Today, I'll tell you a wonderful story called The Boy Who Cried Wolf. This story will teach us an important lesson about honesty and trust. Listen carefully, and I'll explain new words and phrases as we go along. Let's begin. Once upon a time, in a small village, there was a young boy who worked as a shepherd. Shepherd means a person who takes care of sheep. Every morning, the boy would take the village's sheep to a grassy hill nearby. He would sit under a tree, watching the sheep graze. While the sheep enjoyed the fresh green grass, the boy would look at the blue sky and listen to the birds chirping. But soon, he would feel bored. There was no one to talk to, and every day felt the same. Grazing means eating grass. One day, the boy thought, I want to do something fun. I'll play a trick on the villagers. He stood up, ran to the edge of the hill, and shouted loudly, Wolf! Wolf! There's a wolf attacking the sheep. Hearing his cries, the villagers in the field stopped their work. Oh no, a wolf! Let's help him, they said. Everyone grabbed their sticks, ran up the hill, and shouted, Where's the wolf? But when they reached the hill, they saw no wolf. The sheep were peacefully grazing, and the boy was laughing. Ha ha ha, I fooled you all, he said, holding his stomach and laughing loudly. The villagers were angry. Don't cry wolf if there isn't one. They scolded him. But the boy didn't feel sorry. Instead, he thought it was very funny. The next day, the boy felt bored again. He thought, that was fun yesterday. Let's do it again. So, he ran to the edge of the hill and shouted even louder than before, Wolf! Wolf! A big, scary wolf is attacking my sheep. Once again, the villagers heard him. Maybe this time it's real, they said to each other. They dropped their tools, grabbed sticks and stones, and ran to help. But when they reached the hill, there was no wolf. Just the boy, laughing even harder than before. I fooled you again, he shouted. This time, the villagers were furious. You're wasting our time. If you do this again, we won't come to help you, they warned him. But the boy didn't listen. He thought it was all just a game. A few days later, a real wolf came to the hill. This wolf was big, hungry, and dangerous. It growled loudly, showing its sharp teeth. The sheep were terrified and started running in every direction. The boy was scared too. His heart was racing, and his hands were shaking. He shouted at the top of his lungs, Wolf! Wolf! Please help me. A wolf is attacking my sheep. Terrified means very scared. Growled means made a low, angry sound. The villagers heard his cries, but this time, they didn't believe him. It's just another one of his tricks, they said and continued their work. The boy kept shouting, Please help. This time it's real. A wolf is here. But no one came. The wolf attacked many of the sheep, and the boy couldn't do anything to stop it. Finally, the wolf ran away, leaving the boy in tears. When the villagers went to check on him later, they saw the boy sitting on the hill, crying. Why didn't you come to help? He asked. The villagers said, We didn't believe you because you lied to us before. Moral of story. The boy learned an important lesson that day. If you lie too many times, people won't trust you, even when you're telling the truth. Honesty is very important if you want others to believe and respect you. Thank you so much for watching this story on Magic Tales. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Magic Tales for more fun and interesting stories. See you in the next video, and until then, keep learning and keep growing. Bye bye.